Grandpa? You watch out for those anthills now. Oh my goodness. Guys, can you see the pants that I had on? I was in an ant pile outside. I ran in on the porch. And look at the ants. And I threw my pants off. I took my socks off. Oh my God. Those ants are going to make me suffer for days to come. They got me all around my ankle. Oh my. Guys, when you're in the yard, always look out for ant hills. Look at those ants. Look at those pants that I had to run in and take off. Let me get this cleaned up before they get to biting again. And I'll see you back outside. Grandpa's out there cutting that grass. It's hot out here, isn't it?
Hey, yeah. Hey, I got to tell you a karma baby something now.
What?
Hey, you guys missed it, man. You missed it. Grandma was trying to film me a few minutes ago, right?
Oh, my God.
And we got these big black ants.
Whew.
And I think they kind of hit Grandma a couple of times.
Quite a few times.
And,
I jumped through here.
Are you filming me?
Yeah, I'm filming you, baby.
I don't want to be wasting this energy.
I know.
You looking here and looking there. I mean, you're
no,
not that good.
I was showing you where the anthill got
I got to say this right away because it's getting hot out here.
Yeah, I know.
And Grandma was filming. This black ant jumped up her leg, their foot.
Ants all over my pants.
And she dropped that camera. She ran.
I came through the thing.
Boy, she got out of Dodge.
Got on the porch and stripped.
I never seen nobody move that fast, boy.
Oh my God.
Come on, Grandma.
It's burning.
You know that
now.
song James Brown's got out? I got ants in my pants and I want to dance.
Oh my goodness.
That's what Grandma was doing. I just wish I had my camera, boy.
Oh my goodness.
That would be something to see.
Look at this, getting red. Look around my legs, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
I got work to do.
Okay, baby. See, it's getting red where they bit me. Yeah. All around there, guys.
Don't start whining now.
I can't help it. It's burning. So let me get done. I got to get done.
Go put some stuff on it.
I did, but it's gonna burn. It's gonna burn, and they're gonna be pretty bad for a couple of weeks.
I bet you. Hopefully.
They get those little white pulse things on them, and they're bad for a couple of leave a scar and everything.
I'm gonna go get something for that. Look on the internet and see what you can do about it.
Okay.
A long time since I wake up sweating like this.
Oh my goodness, great. Got one going. That's
Hey, you know when I get in bugs just jump up and down, so you got to keep it cut. Time I cut, you should see all the bugs that jump up.
right.
You
Yeah.
got to keep this down low.
Oh yeah.
I'm talking about the grass down low.
Right. Talking about the grass down low, not us down low. Good grief. He's doing a great job. Thank God he's able to do this now. Thank God. I love it. I love seeing him work in the yard. And active and busy and being able to do things. Look at that. The yard is coming together. Coming together. Hi, my Karma babies. How are you? It's Grandma Karma.
Grandpa Karma.
How you guys doing today? Listen, we have a delicious meal to bring to you today. But before we get this video started, I want you guys to make sure that you subscribe. I'm setting it up because I can't see it otherwise. So subscribe, like, and share this video. So Grandpa and I, we're hungry. So what do we say, guys? Let's get this mukbang mukbang started. Yes. So today Grandpa made a delicious little snack for us, guys.
I want to make sure. Crab claws? What do we call them? What did I make?
Blue.
They blue?
They're blue crab claws.
They crab claws. I know.
Grandpa made them two different ways. So I'm going to hold up mine so that we can get a great thumbnail. And he's going to hold up his.
Yeah, okay.
Here's mine. Yes, and his.
Even though I made both of them, all of a sudden it belonged to her.
But look at that sauce in there, guys. You tell me that don't look good.
Hey, Herb, let's go, baby. I don't eat them.
And then we have a dipping sauce. Grandpa, show them your little sauce over there. You can put it down lower, baby, because I want them to see your crab claws.
I'm not a sauce guy, you know.
Well, let me show it to them.
I'm gonna use this for.
We have a red sauce.
I'm gonna use this.
And we also have a white sauce. So Grandpa's gotten started.
Oh my goodness.
I know. I need a napkin. I know before. Look, I want to show it to them.
Really?
Look at this is how it looks.
Oh my goodness.
Look at all that meat on the end, and on the tip you hold it, and that's the blue crab claw. You buy clusters of them. They're a little bit, expensive, but look what we got going on here. This is an absolute meal.
That expensive?
Yeah.
It wasn't expensive.
That's it.
For you, it's probably
look at this.
For you, it's probably expensive because you're cheap.
I think so. Oh my goodness! And when you take the meat off, look at how it looks. Look, when you take the meat off, that's how it looks, babies. Okay.
And these are the deep fried ones. Look at that. Look how big that thing is. This is a crab claw. This is a claw.
Yes.
Imagine he grab your arm with that thing. Oh, excuse me. But this is a crab claw. They will pet you. A crab.
Okay. Not while we're eating. Yes, I want to try one of the fried ones. Tell us what it tastes. Oh, look at that. Good. What does it taste like to you, Grandpa? Describe the flavor and how you made it.
Tastes like crab.
Tastes like crab meat. Okay. So because it is crab meat. And how did you make this?
Very simple. Only thing you do is just season your flour. Put flour in a bowl, season it with whatever your favorite seasonings are. And you need a couple of eggs. What you want to do, you want to put it in the egg first, and then the flour. Is that right? Yes, that is. And then the flour. No wonder you want me to talk, so you do all the eating.
Oh my
She's trying to trick me, so she eat all the food while I do all the talking. But then you deep fry it. And these are already cooked. This is so good. I'm telling you.
I want to get all the breading all off the little claws on the end there. Grandpa.
I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to confess right on camera.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to confess right on camera. You know how I'm always, when we are on the Highway Chronicles, and I'm always telling you, quit spending money before you make it. Money. I feel so embarrassed that this guy's been coming here all this time. It's the first time I tried this.
First time you bought it from
He's got a seafood truck that comes over there. You showed it on one of your films.
Yes.
And he had this over there all the time, but I had no idea.
Oh my goodness,
this is so good. I mean, this, if you told me, say, what one of your last meals would be?
Oh, wow.
This, I'm gonna tell you, this would be right here. This would be right here. It is just that good.
Oh my goodness.
It is just that good.
Let me try this red sauce.
Okay.
Tommy, I tell you,
you
outdid yourself this time.
It's seasoned to perfection. It is seasoned to perfection. Now the sauce here is like a garlic sauce.
Oh my goodness. Yes, you got to tell them about this sauce.
Oh,
here.
let me just swallow something. Can the kids have something? I can't let them.
Well, they don't want to be on camera.
So that means they don't eat?
They have to get this.
That means they don't eat, huh?
They can eat, but man, they already taste it.
You can probably find these in the store.
No, I'm not being find them in the store.
These are good. I'm gonna get some more.
Oh my goodness.
A couple more. It only cost like for $7, eh?
No,
21.
Now you go from 7 to 21. Guys, this is delicious.
At first I thought the reason why I hesitated for buying these I thought, you know, you had to break them over like shrimp and stuff like that. No, it's already done.
This is the first time we made them at home, guys. I'm holding it up so you can see it. First time we made it at home. We've had it in restaurants before, but look at that sauce.
I'm telling you, I'm just as good as those chefs.
Oh my goodness.
I'm probably better than a lot of those chefs. I can cook. I know I can cook. I know I can cook.
Guys, you can make the sauce. Grandpa will, it's a simple sauce, but you have to mix a bunch of different ingredients. Look at that. I'm telling you. I would say this is almost better than king crab legs.
These are better
Because
than
you can
crab
get,
legs. I think
you got to look at that.
I think this is better than crab. I'd
Look at that.
I'd rather have this than crab legs.
I think so because the meat is right there. Look at that, guys. Look. All that meat.
You don't have to
Look.
fight with. It's like finger food.
The meat is from here to here, guys. From here to here is the meat, and that's claws right there. I'm gonna show you.
That's just useful.
And all you have to do is go like this.
That's so good.
You don't have to be cracking it.
You know, that's a lot of meat.
Oh my
That's a lot of
goodness!
meat.
Look, I'm still chewing, and you get all that. I think we're gonna have to stop because we're gonna have to share. Look at that. Look at, you can see where the meat starts
This is so
and where
good.
and he comes by every other Thursday, guys, and we're gonna be there every other Thursday.
Right.
Fresh from, where does he come from? The
Gulf Coast, Gulfport,
oh
Mississippi.
my goodness. And I dare say we could freeze these and have these all winter.
Good.
I don't even want to stop.
I would have this is lobster.
I would too. Look at that. Look at that. Did you show him one of the fried ones close up?
Yeah, I'll show you. You
Look
can
at
show them
that.
again if you want to.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This little thing, you get a wallop piece of meat off of there, guys. Oh my goodness.
A wallop piece of meat.
I'll take these any day over king crab legs or anything in their lot. I'm not sure exactly how much they were a pound, but well worth it. We paid $21 and we made all of these. And you saw in the beginning, we made this and put it in the cream sauce. And you can use your own dressings. You can buy dressing, organic dressing from the store and doctor it up and have your own dressing. But I'm telling you guys, this is much more than a snack.
They're waiting for me to say.
They're
waiting for me to say.
I don't know.
You know what they want to say the regular little stuff like it is good enough to slap your mama. That ain't good enough to slap your mama. This is just good.
These crab we find some more of these and we freezing these babies. And they're gonna be in the freezer for the winter. Tell them.
I tell you, I like these.
Okay, let's stop because
come on now.
we gotta stop. You said you're gonna share with your babies, so guys, look at that. Oops, dropping it.
We fighting over them now. All of a sudden.
They are delicious. So, guys, Grandpa is gonna share. He's gonna share.